everyone. My name is Shah, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Village Core. To find a recording of this meeting and our upcoming events, you can go to our website at villagecore.org. And then please also check us out on our YouTube channel at the Village Core channel. And then also follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for our latest updates and upcoming events. So today we're going to be talking about a really cool tool that's really one of my favorites that I've ever used. It's called the Oura Ring. So this Oura Ring is very useful. What it does is it keeps track of your activity. It keeps track of your sleep, your heart rate, your body temperature. It has extra features for women's health, and it can also track your stress. So what I really like about it, tracking your sleep, is you can really get to see how different types of sleeps you're getting. There's your REM sleep and there's your deep sleep. I wasn't really paying attention to all that until I got this tool myself. And it's very, very useful. You get a score every morning saying how ready you are, how much sleep you got that night, and then how much of a deep sleep and how much of a REM sleep you received for that day. And it will also keep track of your activity levels. So it will automatically pick up when you're working out, or if you're walking, it will count your steps. And early early illness detection. So it monitors your temperature and heart rate, so you can potentially tell signs of fever or sickness ahead of time. And then plus the fact that it will show you a low readiness level and then show you high temperature levels will also kind of indicate that you might get sick and you can take care of yourself. My favorite feature again is the daily sleeping score. I can really go in there and see if I woke up during the night and how much of a deep sleep I received or how much of a light sleep I got for that day. Activity and recovery, whenever you start walking, take steps, and you go to the gym, it will pick up your activity and it will keep that in mind when it calculates your readiness level the next day. And then stress levels, you can keep signs of those for you as well. And then it can integrate with your Apple Health and then all the other apps, all the other health apps that are available. And it is very, very light. I actually have one of these myself. It's very light. It's easy to put on. It doesn't even feel like it's there. It has sensors in there. So what happens is when you order one, you get a free sizing kit. So they send you a free sizing kit. You figure out which size of these rings fits your finger, and then you can order your ring. And they have a few different colors. They have titanium, they have silver, they have black, and they have gold. So I have the Heritage Titanium one. There's the Horizon one, that's the new one, that's completely a circle. And as you can see, these are the sensors that keep track of everything. And it comes with a charger. And what I like about it is you don't really need to charge it. I charge mine every 5 days. It lasts so long, and I just keep it on. And it can literally last up to 7 days. So it's very water resistant. You can wear it all the time. It's very durable. I don't get any scratches on it. I've worn it for over a year. It still looks new, and it's a very, very helpful tool for those that want to keep track of their sleep, their heart rate, their exercise. Oh, another cool feature, it will pick up when you're drinking alcohol, and it will take that into consideration for your readiness level. So I've noticed that if I drink alcohol the next day, I'm not as ready as I would be if I didn't. So that's just an extra tip. But yes, overall, this is a very helpful tool for those that, like keeping track of their health and try to optimize their sleep as much as they can. I think it's one of the best smart technologies out there for this specific reason. And it's easy to wear overnight compared to some watches, that also keep track of your health. I think this ring is way easier to wear all day and overnight while you sleep. So that's about it for the Oura Ring. Please make sure to check out our website at villagecore.org, and then you'll be able to find a recording of this event at the YouTube channel at the Village Core channel. And I'll see you guys next time.